Right, we don't want to go over the hill. The hill never come down. What's on the other side of the hill?
Landed
Good
in
advice.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
All right, so shoot one of those rocks. All right, you got 3 rounds in here.
Okay.
All right, I'll charge it for you. Get your finger off the trigger until we're ready.
You guys can't have guns at all in Canada?
All right, ready? All right, now it doesn't kick that bad, okay? So don't freak
tease
out.
Like hunting stuff?
Yeah, they can have hunting stuff.
Right.
Ron McClain, 50 caliber.
It doesn't kick all that bad. It sounds a lot worse.
Woo!
You hit it. It's gone.
What did I hit?
You hit the rock. It's not there, so whether you hit
Look
it
at
or
the
hit
camera, baby. Look at it.
I don't know if you hit it or not, but I can't see it anymore.
Left a little bit.
Come on, man. That big bullet. You got to hit that thing.
I don't know if you get